right, about to put on some chicken wings. I think I'll make today's wings garlic wings. And this is natural chicken. It's there are no added growth hormones or stimulants, as you can see. So this is all vegetarian style and type diet. All right, I'll be back to show you what everything looks like. A dabba dabba doo. A dabba doo. I usually use Lorry's, but I ran out of Lorry's. Himalaya garlic. A little bit of that garlic powder. We're going to top it off with some paprika. And we're going to add a garlic roasted sauce coming soon. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with my garlic Himalaya garlic. Oh, let's get some adobo. Adobo do. Whoa, adobo do. Oh, a dime will do. A dime, adobo do. All right, my garlic powder I'm adding now. Let's get some honey garlic. Oh yeah, baby. This is one of my favorites. Oh yes, honey. We're going to turn this bad boy over. And we're going to repeat that process. All right, adding my roasted garlic. Paste. We're going to mix this all in. Get every side, every wing. Ooh, I gotta wash my hands so I can turn this camera off. Oh yeah, that's the broccoli rabe in the background there cooking, if you can see it. I don't know if you can. That's the broccoli rabe in the red pot. Okay. Oh yeah, I got those bad boys all lined up there. Like soldiers in the army. I'm a soldier in the army of the Lord. I'm a soldier, the army. Yeah. So yeah, we're about to put these bad boys in the oven. I'll let you see what it looks like very soon. Okay, chicken poo and them have reached another destination. We got them in the pan now, ready to put in the oven to a new destination, which is the oven. We'll be right back. Honey, I almost forgot my all-time favorite, garlic. We're gonna go ahead and look at it. It's already falling off the bone. Nice and tender and nice and good. Okay, let's go ahead and taste our baked roasted garlic wings. Baked roasted garlic wings. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my God. Who's coming over for dinner tonight? Because I'm telling you, these are banging. Woo! That's a good baked chicken wing right there. As a matter of fact, why don't we go ahead too and taste. Let me taste the, I haven't made broccoli rabe in a while. Let's see how that tastes. Honey, baby, as they say. Peace. Banging.
It's good.
Package is 1401.
1401.
Yeah, there should be two.
All right.